My friend, our today's point is the basic of word problem is very important point. Most of the student having difficulties in this point, but actually this point is very important and easy point. First, how to create word problems. The problems depend on numbers, ages, fraction, speed, time or distance, two or three digit numbers or two type of quantity. And second thing, every problem having two condition. Every problem having two condition. And condition using the words sum, different, comparing, adding, subtracting, ago or after, increase, decrease, interchanging, up or downstream, and amount. Generally, these words used for condition and how to express mathematically for this word. Just like sum of two numbers. Question depend on numbers and condition created by this point. Very clear. Question depend on numbers. Just like sum of two numbers is 9. Here use sum is word. How to express mathematically in this word? So here x and y be the two numbers. Let x and y be the two numbers, because the numbers, two numbers are unknown numbers. Then unknown quantities expressed with x and y. Now in condition, the word is sum. Then here equation is create x plus y, because here sum is expressed with plus sign. Then x plus y equal to 9 is equation. Same thing, different. If condition having the word is different and question depend on numbers, then equation is here. Just like the difference between two number is 9. The difference between two number is 9. How to express mathematically? Question depend on numbers, condition having different. Then x minus y equal to 9. X minus y equal to 9. Now comparing. Same question. Depend on numbers and condition having comparing. Now comparing, two type of compare. If multiple of comparing, just like the larger number is twice of smaller number. Larger number is twice of smaller number. Here, if larger number is twice of smaller number, then we can express x equal to 2y. Then form the equation is x minus 2y equal to 0. This is equation. Same comparing with larger or smaller. See here, larger number is 3 more than, means comparing having the word is more than or less than. Then here use plus or minus sign. Plus sign for more than and minus sign for less than. See here, x is or large number is 3 more than smaller number. Then equation create x equal to y plus 3. X equal to y plus 3. But the twice of smaller number or the twice of smaller number is 3 less than larger number. Twice of smaller number, then 2y. Here smaller number is y. Twice of smaller number is 3 less than larger number, x minus 3. means 2y equal to x minus 3. We can change the form and create a equation. Means here every question having two conditions. We can create two equation or form two equation by the given condition and solve it. Second point is that ages. See here, ages means having condition sum. Just like sum of the father's and son's age is 55. Then here equation is x plus y equal to 50. Here the x years be the age of father and y years be the age of son. Then x plus y equal to 55. But by compare, just like the father's age is twice of son's age. The father's age is twice of son's age. Then question is or equation is x equal to 2y. Means every condition having word from these points. या पॉइंट मधूनच कुठून तरी वर्ड येणार आहेत. हे जर वर्ड तुम्ही समजावून घेतलेत, हाऊ टू एक्सप्रेस मॅथमॅटिकली इन द वर्ड सॉरी ऑन द वर्ड, त्या वर्ड वरती तुम्ही मॅथमॅटिकली कसे एक्सप्रेस होत आहे हे जर व्यवस्थितपणे समजावून घेतलं तर वी कॅन create two equations by the given condition. Now ages, question depend on ages and comparing about the ago or after. Just like 6 years ago, ago means मराठी मध्ये पूर्वी, 6 years ago the father's age is twice of son's age. Now the condition depend on the year before 6 years. Means here x minus 6 and y minus 6. And compare the twice of son's age. Means here father's age is twice. Means already father's age is already twice. For equation we can multiply 2 by son's age. Then here create equation x minus 6 equal to 2 in bracket y minus 6. Second thing is or second point is fraction. Now these question depend on fraction, but fraction having two quantities, numerator and denominator. Means quantity or condition depend on numerator and denominator. Just like sum of the numerator and denominator. Again word is same, sum. Mathematically expression is same, but just x is numerator. Just change numerator and denominator. Then x be the numerator and y be the denominator. Sum of the numerator and denominator always number. Then just like numbers, sum of the numbers and sum of the numerator and denominator, same reaction. X plus y equal to 9. Easily we can create a equation. Same second condition is if numerator increase by 2 and denominator decrease by 4, we get the fraction is 5 by 2. Then question is that or equation is that numerator increasing by 3, denominator decreasing by 2, then increasing, then plus 3, decreasing, therefore minus 2. We get the fraction is 5 by 2. Fraction is 5 by 2. Then equation. Now cross multiply the given equation and simplify. We get the standard equation or equation in standard form. The numerator and denominator means the fraction having numerator and denominator is most important. Next thing, speed, time and distance. Here two type of questions. Question having distance or time. Just like 1900 distance or 1900 kilometer covered by bus and aeroplane. Hence here using two vehicles, different type of vehicles, means that is different distance or different speed, having different speed. जर डिस्टन्स वर डिपेंड क्वेश्चन असेल देन वी कॅन यूज द फॉर्म डिस्टन्स इक्वल टू स्पीड इंटू टाइम. डिस्टन्स इक्वल टू स्पीड इंटू टाइम. बट क्वेश्चन डिपेंड ऑन स्पीड, टाइम एंड डिस्टन्स. जस्ट लाइक अ ship downstream and upstream, the time is 10 hours. Getting time is 10 hours. Then here condition created by time. Then using form distance upon speed. Using form time equal to distance upon speed. म्हणजे फॉर्म चेंज होईल. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज दैट 2 or 3 digit number. See here, 2 digit number having 2 points, tens place number and unit place number. See here, condition every time unit place number and tens place digit, every time that is number. Again, see here, sum of the tens place and unit place number is 9. Just like numbers, x plus y equal to 9. Second thing, if the unit place number and tens place digit are interchanging, then tens place number convert in unit place number and unit place number convert in tens place number. Means here if the number is 10x plus y is actually number, then after interchanging the number getting 10y plus x. Same time, two type of quantities, means 2 rupees pens, means 5 pen and 3 pencils. Total amount is 50 rupees. Then 10x, 10 pens, 5 pencils, total amount is 50. अमाउंट वरती मीन्स टू टाइप ऑफ क्वांटिटी जर असेल तर तुम्हाला या टाइपने क्वेश्चन क्रिएट करता येते. Means we can express or create equation by these condition and solve. We can solve easily word problem. But first understand the question depend on which form, कोणत्या फॉर्म वरती कोणत्या पॉइंट वरती क्वेश्चन क्रिएट केलेला आहे. and same time understand condition and how to express mathematically on word. हे जर पॉइंट समजावून घेतले तर तुम्हाला दिस पॉइंट इज व्हेरी सिंपल अँड इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट इन मॅथ्स. बेस्ट ऑफ लक. रणपीसे क्लास, यश हमकास.